Hey my foodies, in this video you will not see me actually boiling, slicing the eggs in half and taking the yolk out of them. Just wanted to put that out there before I begin the video. So here are the ingredients you'll need. Almost forgot one minced onion. Here are my eggs sliced in half already. And here are the yolks that I placed in a small mixing bowl. And there is the mix, all the ingredients combined. Getting ready to stuff them here. You can put as much or as little as you prefer. That's totally up to you. Now that you're done, at this point, you can decide to garnish them with something or not. I am using paprika, but you might prefer, let's say, parsley or simply nothing at all. Here I am starting to sprinkle the paprika. I don't like to put a lot. Actually, in this container, more of it is coming out than I really wanted it to. But I just kind of went with it. Here are the finished eggs. I refrigerate mine afterwards. It makes the eggs firm and easier to pick up when you're serving, and I just like a slight chill to mine. I fixed these for my cousin's housewarming, and although I did not attend, she did tell me the next day they were a hit.